This is a brand new 2013 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, a DVD player, XM satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: adjustable driver pedals, dual power seats, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, active fuel management, running boards, trailer wiring, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and aluminum wheels. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.